Hello everybody, I got the engine, I got it, it's loose, it's coming up, and I got to find a place to put y'all, so you watch, probably back here somewhere, not really sure, trying to get you in here where you all don't slip, watch it little by little, I hope you can get all of it. See if I can get something here to help prop this camera up a little bit. Alright. You see the lift and see me doing a little bit at a time. It's already up in the air about 6 inches. The crane does have it. I have to do a little at a time until I gotta go each side, make sure that thing's coming out of the pocket good. Make sure nothing's holding it back. There goes the air conditioner pump. Make sure I ain't got no wires still hung up. Plug it tight down here. It's all for the rack of pinions. We have one wire here. I have no idea what it's for. And oh shit. About 2.5 minutes. I'll put y'all on pause. I gotta get it off. I don't know what kind of wire it is, but I'm gonna put y'all on pause. Let's see. Pause or double on. Okay, back. See how you got the camera. See if you got still seeing me. It's really hard to see this now. Alright. Yeah, I had to cut a wire because I couldn't get back there. This thing up in there, one little fucking wire, excuse my language, but it looks like more of a ground wire. I can extend the wire and redo it. So, at least I'll have it on camera and know what I'm talking about, right? Hopefully. Okay. Just want to get this thing forward. I got too much to go for with it. Little at a time. Man, I ain't never did this shit before, so it's coming out of here one way or another. It's going to come out. I think the transmission, once I get it up over this this pump down here, I don't see any which way other. It's in the way of something here. It's up against this. No, not up against this. It's my throttle cables. So that's alright. I mean, this thing's good 6 inches up in the air. 6 inches. That is my pump for the what is that? Vacuum for the small control. There you go. That's what I'm trying to say. Small control. That goes right there. Yes. Coming up slowly but surely. If I don't pump it, it won't come up. Oh, it will. Alright. Gotta make sure the back side is alright. I didn't like that sign at all. I did not like that sign whatsoever. Like something just broke. Boys. might be just, that was on this. Yep. Falls, it falls. A lot more weight on it than the last time. That transmission too. That's what's scary about it. You don't know about these noises, and you don't know it. You never had that kind of weight on it. It's still coming up. I think it's just growing pains for that damn thing I got there. Okay, I'm up against the well, not quite up against it. It's brake boost. I might go up a little bit more and try to shift it. Yep, that's out of the place. That's out of the way. There's back over here some. I can't, it's so damn stiff I can't get it over there. It's coming up out of there. One way or another. It's definitely doing better than it did last time. Okay, I see what the problem is now. The air conditioner hose is in the way. Uh-oh. That's all, dude. No, it didn't. Okay. Yeah, my air conditioner hose is a little bit in the way. Now, see here, that forward. Let's see here. Alright. That hose is going way down there. Trying to get those a nut. Okay. See if I can get this daggone thing right here out of the way. Then we have a clear spot. The only thing is we can't get it out of the way. Oh God, that's the ABS system. This brakes. I wonder what that thing was. That's the ABS. I got my feather down here. Little at a time, little at a time. It's got the whole thing now. I can't tell you what this thing's. It's what the how much it would pick up because I built it. I have no idea, but that thing's solid on the inside. Well, excuse me, that one's not solid. This is solid. That's hollow. But where I got these right here and this is all solid damn steel going down in there. It's angle iron, but it's solid because I got it welded. It does not. That's where it popped. That's where my pop was right there. There's my pop right there, boys and girls. So that's where it came loose. That's where it tamed out. Now, It still have it on the back side, I don't know. I do not know. It does not look like it. Well, looks like we're gonna have to get the welder out here. Grind that down and re-weld it while it's sitting there. I don't like doing it and then it's heating up and you got all the damn weight on it, so. That's what popped. This back brace back here. I set it down again. Jesus Christ, man. Excuse my language. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all go. I got a problem, so. This back brace back here, I'll show you. Let me get you on the other side. Show you the light come through. That's what our ting was. See that light right there? Yeah, well, that's what went ping. Alright, so it is doing its job until it let go. So I didn't weld it good enough. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all go. See y'all later, bye.